friends, and welcome back to another video here on Make Your Money Thrive. I'm so excited to be setting up my 100 envelope savings challenge in today's video. So I am hoping to be able to actually finish this savings challenge in 2025, but we will see how the year goes. But I got this binder on Amazon, and I will be doing a little Amazon haul and all of that here soon. But I do also have this linked down below if you want to pick up one too and join in on doing a 100 envelope savings challenge in the new year as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get this set up. I also do have a $100 bill here to go in that final 100 slot. So I want to make sure that that one's already taken care of and we're starting the year on the right foot. And I do have a little bit more cash that I might be putting in here as well. So with this 100 envelope challenge binder, it does come with some like stickers in here, labels, and all of that. I do a walkthrough of exactly what's included in here in that Amazon haul video, so I will link it down below once it's up, and make sure that you're subscribed so that you see it as soon as it comes out. But then it does also come with the little inserts that are all labeled so that you know where the money goes. So with the 100 envelopes challenge, if you're not familiar, you are saving 100 envelopes, and it used to be that people would actually put it into little envelopes, but things have changed a little bit. I like this a lot better where we're just putting it into these pockets here. I'm trying to figure out, well, how do I open? Okay, there we go. But you pretty much just save that amount of money based on the number of the envelopes. So for the one envelope, you put $1, and for the 100th envelope, you put in $100. At the end of the 100 envelope challenge, you will have saved $5,050. So I think it's going to be super fun, and I'm excited to do it. So I'm just going to get started by putting these onto the rings here. All right, so I have that in there. And then I also have this tracker that I made. It is fully transparent, but I made this tracker that I want to put in there, and it would be reusable with a wet erase marker. And I just like how it looks like on the transparency here. I am going to be selling these here soon. So make sure that you subscribe, stay tuned for that, because I am going to be opening up a new little shop where I'm going to be actually sending out products. So things for budgeting, but also some things for planning, reading, journaling, all sorts of fun stuff. So make sure that you stay tuned for that, because I'm so looking forward to reopening a shop. And then I also just have this dashboard that says Abundant in this nice beige color. It's nice and neutral and layered together. It looks amazing like this. And I love how these colors like just go together. This aqua teal color and this beige, those are some of my favorite colors, honestly. So just gonna put that there in the front so that I can keep track as I go through it. So that is my setup for my 100 envelope challenge, and now I just want to put some cash in here. So I'm gonna get started with my 100th envelope here, and I have my $100 bill that we are starting this challenge off with, so that we bring in nice prosperity, abundance, and just good energy into the new year with this challenge. So 100 already taken care of. And then I also have some more cash in here. This is just cash that I've just kind of been squirreling away, like setting aside as I've been going throughout the last couple of months. And I figured I could use this cash here in my 100 envelope challenge too, because it's just sitting there, it's not doing anything. So I want to count up and see how much cash this actually is. We're gonna go ahead and get this added up. So I have 20, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. So we have an extra $103. That is super exciting. So we're putting over $200 into this 100 envelope challenge already. So this is a nice, simple 20. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that into the 20 slot for now, because why not? Since it's a 20, we might as well put it into a 20 slot. And then let's see how we want to do these. I think I want to do the 50 slot. I think that would be fun, so that I have 100 and I also have the 50 filled up already. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 36. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna put this in 35 because I like that that's what those bills turned out to be. So I'm putting it into 35. Just for fun. And then, and that one's pretty snug. So then I have all of my ones left. So I am gonna put one into the $1 slot because why not? All right, so then this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna put this into the 5 spot. It's definitely snug. If you're trying to put more than like 5 bills in here, it does get pretty snug, but it works. And then I'm gonna put this in the 2 spot. Since I had like an extra 7, I just separated them all out into $10 piles, so I have $40 left. Then I swapped one of the 10s out for 2 5s that I had in another cash envelope, so I'm going to put these 2 5s into the 10 spot. And then I have $30 remaining. So I'm going to swap this out for a 20 that I have in another cash envelope. I have this 20 at $30. Let's see. What do I want to do with this? Let's go. I think I want to actually put it in 30. So I think I have another 10 somewhere, and I do. So I'm going to put these 2 bills into the 30 slot. Now when we take a look, we actually have some cash in here. Looking good. So nothing in this back half here, but that's okay until we get to our lovely 100 at the back. So I know that sometimes folks will take some of these smaller envelopes, like they'll concentrate on filling out the smaller envelopes and then they'll consolidate them into the larger ones. So maybe I'll do that as the year goes on, or maybe we'll just fill it up as we go. But I'm so pleased to have over $200 in my 100 envelope challenge to get the year started off really nicely. Yay! So that is that. That's my 100 envelope savings challenge. I will go through and kind of get this updated, and I will put today as the start date. Today is December 14th that I am getting this started. So I will put that here, and I'm going to use some wet erase markers to color in the ones that I've done already. But that is my 100 envelope savings challenge, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you're doing 100 envelope savings challenge as well, or any savings challenges in the new year. And yeah, let's just chat about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.